We'll guide you through how to fix the Microsoft Store not opening. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. The Microsoft Store not opening can be a really annoying problem, as you're then unable to go and download or update apps and just go and use it. So we've got some different fixes you can try. To get started, click on the search at the bottom and you want to go and type in Task Manager, like so. Then what you want to do is click on the search at the top of processes and go and type in Microsoft Store, like so. If you go and see any related processes, click on them and press End Task. I haven't got any open in this case. If you manage to close anything there, then try opening up and see if the problem is solved. If it still isn't, press Search at the bottom and you want to go and open up your settings. Come into System over to the left and you need to go and find System Components. If you can't find it, you can click on Search and type in System Components. In here, find the store, press the three dots to the right and press Advanced Settings. Scroll down and press Terminate, and you can try pressing Repair there and wait for it to run through. Next, you can try pressing Reset and confirm your decision to go and reset it. After you've done that, now you can try opening up the store, and hopefully now it should go and open and you can go and use it